Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of the AJDeFranco vlog. I am your host, AJDeFranco, and today we're on our way to Home Depot because I need to get some O-rings. You're like, well, why do you need O-rings for? Are you fixing a sink or something? No. I need to get O-rings because my HO Spirit of 76 train, the Locomotive, the traction tires on it like wore off. I mean, for being 50 years old, it's bound to happen. So I looked online and I saw a couple videos of a temporary fix where they got some O-rings and put them around the wheels, and that should do fine. And then today, since it's the 4th of July, and if I didn't say happy 4th of July in the beginning of the video, happy 4th of July now. And I figured, well, for the 250th anniversary for America, why not try to get this little locomotive and train running again? You know, celebrate 50 years from when it first came out 50 years ago. So let's go. So our first stop is to get a piping cold caffeinated beverage. So I just purchased my coffee, but I also saw that they have the fried apple pies here. And I don't ever remember having the fried apple pies before, but I'm gonna try it, and I've heard they're pretty good. Okay, so got the apple pies. They came in these 2 boxes. Let's open them and see what we got. It's golden, bubbly, and a little flaky. Can't wait to take a bite. Let's see how this tastes. That's pretty freaking good. America. Hot. Hot. But good. America. So here's the inside of the pie. You know, this is actually a pretty good pie. I wish they'd keep this year around. Definitely get this again, that's for sure. Oh, hot. Oh, my lip. Okay. As soon as I get my taste buds back. Anyways, next stop is Home Depot. Okay, got the pack of O-rings. I'm gonna go home and get this 50-year-old baby back up and running again. Wow. I came home and my wife Allison surprised me with American breakfast. Yeah. Go America. Okay, so we're back here at the homestead, and I've been doing some cleaning up and stuff on my Locomotive. And those are the Spirit of the 76 cars ready to go. And so what we're going to do is put some traction wheels on the back of the Locomotive here to make it not derail. For some strange reason, it's the back side of it just keeps derailing. Now, what I've read and heard online, people said that there used to be traction. These were traction wheels, but I don't see any rubber. And yeah, I'm gonna put that on and blurry. We're going to put that on, and hopefully this will work. So apparently the O-rings are too big. Now this idea came from a Canadian vlogger, which I often watch. I enjoy his show, where he goes and repairs old vintage trains. And I guess in Canada the O-rings are smaller or something. They got some slightly smaller ones. You just slip on, no problem. But here in the United States, you put it on, it takes up the whole train wheel. So yeah, so we're gonna have to do something different. So instead, I just disconnected that wire and this truck here, and I added a O-ring right there, and just made it loose enough that it at least stops one problem. This back wheel kept wobbling back and forth, the back section here. So hopefully this does something. Okay, so far the back truck stabilization worked well. Next I'm going to turn on and see how it works. How's it going? It needs a little help. Here we go. Ah! And it's going. Oh, and it hit the rest of the cars. Okay. A few moments later. Okay, so we tried and we failed horribly, and someone's microwaving in the other room. But we're gonna try with a different locomotive. Okay, so I chose this Santa Fe coal locomotive. Nothing's more America than coal, am I right? And I'm just gonna clean up this table really quick, and we'll let this roll along. Okay, the grill is on. Here we go. Okay, so first of all, happy 250th birthday to America. And second, happy 4th of July to everybody. And until next time, this vlog is La Fame.